Elizabeth! Creativity! We thought it would be so much fun to make a turkey hand since today is Thanksgiving. For this, you need to trace your hand and cut it out. You'll need feathers, a glue stick, a googly eye, and a beak. To get started, we are putting glue on our pinky finger, and then we are adding our red and orange feathers. Okay, and now it's time to glue down our yellow feather. Our cat is just so curious, so he decided to join us, and we thought it would be perfect to have him with us for this project. Now we are adding our green and blue feathers. And on our last finger for feathers, we are adding a blue and a purple feather. And on the thumb of our hand, we are going to put our googly eye and the beak. And here is our turkey hand. We love it so much. We think it turned out so pretty. And we think our sweet cat, Mathias, loves it too. We hope you have a lot of fun making your own turkey hand. Thank you so much for watching our video. We really hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye, friends.